Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. Today I am going to show you few laces that I bought for my sari designing and to make designer saris. And these three are the full bunch that I have bought for attaching throughout the sari. These three, in which I have also got Gota lace. This I am planning to use this also in my designer saris. So here is the first one. This one I bought for like 80 rupees for the whole bunch. It's of 9 meter. As you all know, to design a sari, to fix laces throughout the sari, we need 9 meters. Okay, this is the first one. And here is the mirror one. This is very good, but it cost only 150 rupees for me. And this is a real mirror. It's not any plastic chunky like. It's a real mirror. And this is also 9 meter, which cost 150 rupees for the whole bunch. And another one is the latest thinner one, comparing the previous two laces. This one I bought for whole bunch is for 70 rupees. And this is also 9 meter to design a full sari. And this one is Gota, as I told you. Then I have another bunch of laces. I'll show you one by one. This lace I bought for attaching in my Georgette sari, like a sari kuchu. So I bought this one. I'll show you in my future videos how I'm attaching this to my pallu. Okay, this one I bought for meter for 25 rupees. I bought like 3 meters, I think. And the next one is here, the pom-pom one, which is in trend today, these days. And this one I bought in Commercial Street, which cost like 30 rupees for a meter. But I didn't get in bulk. I bought only like 2 meters, this one. And the next one, this one I bought for my ready-made sari kuchu making. And also this can be attached over silk thread bangles for border bangles or side bangles. Okay. And another one is pearl with gold lace. These are the laces that I already had. This one, but I bought again for my work. This is multicolored one. Apart from this, this time I bought these, this one and this. In my previous video for a sari kuchu, I have used both this one, this beaded one. This cost like 30 rupees for a meter. And this can be used in Georgette saris to make designer saris. This can be attached throughout the sari. This will give very nice and grand look. And also can be used for sari kuchu, like kind sari pallu also you can use this one. Then yeah, I bought this one, this stone lace. This is also a lace can be fixed in our designer saris. And this one, this thin, it's like 1 centimeter thin lace, which can be used along with this lace. If suppose you are using this lace for a border, above this or below this you can stitch this. This will enhance the look of the lace and also the sari. See how it looks together. This way you can attach it together with any big laces for the border in the bottom or in the upper part. This is this thin lace can also be used for sari kuchu, ready-made sari kuchu. You can make the sari kuchu and send it to your customer. This way I have made this one. In my previous video I have shown how to make this sari kuchu. Okay, this is what I have bought for my sari designing. If you like this video, you can just share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more videos in sari designing and jewelry making. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching, friends. Bye bye.